Welcome everyone. Um, I'm back with another video where I'm working on my project to help identify and report phishing and suspicious emails. Um, this time with another twist. You might have heard a lot about agentic AIs and agents, right? And this is a simple implementation where we are using an agent that deals with LLMs and a predefined library of um, functions that will help um, our program or our setup identify whether an email is suspicious or not. As usual, you can find the code on my Git. Feel free to play with it, update it, right? Contribute to it. Feel free. Right, so as you can see, we have a system here where I am providing a prompt to the LLM basically as to what kind of functions are available and what kind of activity it needs to perform, right? And this is going to be done in an what you say, it will be done in iterations, right? It will go only one step at a time, right? And for that, the agent is going to act as an orchestrator basically, right? So the agent is going to trigger the LLM is going to decide what to do with the information I have right now and which function I need to trigger, right? And it's going to do the processing, pass the result back to the agent. It will do the processing based on the library selected, get back to the LLM will decide what needs to be done next, send the data back to the library, run it again until we reach the completion of our aim, which is identifying whether an email is suspicious or not, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the demo, right? So this is an email, the email that we've been using since the very first video, right? We're gonna inspect it so that we have some logs to take a look at, and it's running. Yay, it says that the email is suspicious, which it clearly is, right? uh, just added an additional functionality where we have a button of reporting an email as phishing, and once you click on it, it basically gives you a pop-up and tells you, okay, this email is suspicious, how can you report it as phishing, right? I tried to implement the Gmail API which will directly report it as phishing, but it has some complications that I'm yet to resolve, but that'll come soon. Keep watching, right? Now this is what I was talking about, right? You can see the logs in iteration 1. um, the LLM, we sent the data, right? We sent based on this setup, we have sent a bunch of queries. Like we have told the LLM, you are a cybersecurity agent and you're looking into suspicious emails. These are the functions. Respond with only one function based on the information you have available, right? And get back to me on which function needs to be executed, right? And this is the agent. This is the agent, and what the LLM got back to me was, um, run the function extract email content, which is right. I have an email, I need to extract it, right? Now, if as you can see, this is the result. It came back with the body of the email, the subject, the body, the links, and everything, right? And iteration 2, um, same again. In iteration 1, we called email with parameters and returned the result, the entire email as a result. What should I do next, right? This is sent to the LLM comes back saying, okay, in the previous step you extracted the contents of the email, now let's analyze the email, right? And you pass what you got in the previous step, that is the body of the email. It does its processing and it get back to me with response, and it's in a specific format, whether there are any high risks, medium risk, low risk content, right? We again go back to the LLM, that in iteration 1 you extracted the content of the email. In iteration 2, you analyze the content of the email, right? What do I do now, right? What should I do now? And the LLM comes back with a response with update the results, right? Update the UI with results. So it takes everything we have, and this is the UI that is updated with it, right? And this is the report phishing functionality that I told you about. Once it's done, it just gives you a pop-up. It says click 3 dots, report phishing, confirm, and you're done. So yeah, this is it. Identifying a phishing email with the logs and with the code. Thank you for watching.